Hello everyone, you're welcome to this channel Sew with Ocean, the channel that teaches you how to sew with simple and professional methods of drafting, cutting and sewing. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this kaftan or senator chest patch pocket with horizontal tucks, a button and a loop on it. We want to sincerely appreciate all our returning subscribers. If this is your first time of checking out this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out on our videos every week. Let's get right into the tutorial. These are the interfacings we are going to be using to make this pocket. So this is the main pocket interfacing. The length is 7.75 inches and the width is 2.75 inches. Cut two pieces of this. This is 5.5 inches and the width is 2 inches. This one here is 4.5 inches and the width is 2 inches. So you cut all of this with your desired interfacing, any interfacing of your choice. This is for the strap, length 3.5, width 1.5 inches. And this will be used to create the tucks, the length 12 inches, the width 2.5 inches. Now apply these main pocket interfacings on the desired fabric. That is the fabric you're using to make the pocket or the senator. Ensure it sticks very well to the fabric, okay? And this is a 4.5 by 2 inches. Fold it in the middle and mark 1 inch. Now connect it to the midpoint and trim it off. Place it on the fabric you want to use for it. It could be a contrasting color. Ensure you have a seam allowance of 0.5 inch where the angular shape is. Trim it off as you can see. Now fold the allowance over the interfacing as you can see. After folding, you trim off the excesses. Trim off all the excesses on it. Also trim off the excesses on the main pocket interfacing. Now mark 0.5 inch and fold it. This 0.5 inch is the seam allowance to sew the main pocket, alright? Use the pressing iron to fold it. You repeat this exercise on the other part. Now this is for the main pocket and this will be sewn underneath. Right, so we'll go over to the sewing machine now. So this is for the strap. You sew this, the width of the strap is 0.5 inch. So sew 0.5 inch. This is for the horizontal tucks. Fold 2.5 inches. And sew with a seam allowance of 0.75 inch. So the width of each tuck is 0.75 inch. Now, at interval, fold 0.625 from the seam line. And after folding 0.625 from the seam line, you sew with 0.375 to create the tucks. So you are going to do this to create about 9 tucks, all right? So that's why I say repeat this to create the other tucks. From the seam line, mark 0.6, fold 0.6 rather, and then sew 0.375. So this is what we will get at the end of the day. Iron it to make it flat. So this is how it is. Now, please ensure that the pleats align very well. Now apply the 5.5 inches by 2 inches interfacing and trim off the excesses. This is a strap. You turn it inside out and iron it. Having done all this, let's go to the sewing machine. Now place the interfacing with the angular shape and sew with a seam allowance of 0.25 on the edge. Now trim off the excesses behind or on the wrong side. Now mark 0.5 inch seam allowance on both edges. After marking this, you'll be left with 1 inch in the middle. Please, if you derive value from this tutorial, ensure you like it and drop a comment in the comments. Place the pocket strap 2 inches below the top and place also the main pocket interfacing on the 0.5 inch seam allowance. Ensure it is aligning to the place where you mark 0.5 inch. Place the other part of it and also ensure it aligns where you mark 0.5 inch, leaving 1 inch to be visible at the middle. All right, so top stitch at just by the edge of it. So this is how it looks. Now turn it to the wrong side and press it. Now after pressing, you fold it this way, the longest part, which is the 7.5 inch, mark 1.25 inch and also mark 0.5 inch at the bottom. Now draw a curve on the bottom from where you marked 0.5 inch and trim it off. Please, if this is the first time you're visiting this channel, you're welcome to this channel, Sew with Ocean. This is a channel that simplifies sewing for you. Now clip 1.25 inch above the pocket. To achieve a neater finishing, just serge round the pocket as you can see. Fold the 1.25 inch and iron it. You can use the heat adhesive tape to make it firm. Now the length of the pocket is 6 inches and the width of the pocket is 4.75 inches. Now mark out your seam allowance, which is 0.5 on both sides and also at the bottom that is curved. Now fold the 0.5 inch seam allowance and press. Use the panding block to make it flat. Now on the bottom, fold 0.5 inch, which is the seam allowance, and press. Ensure that the down curve is made very flat and very accurate. This is how it looks like. So you just place it on the kaftan dress you're making and top stitch your pocket. Whoa. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Till I come your way next, goodbye.